welcome to today's video. So I am here with a big box because I've just had a delivery from IKEA. I'm not sure why the box is so big because I'm pretty sure the things I bought were all quite small things. There isn't that much. It's just the little things that I needed for our new house when we eventually move. So I thought I'd do an order whilst we was in lockdown and stuck and couldn't go out. It also saves me having to go to IKEA when the shops do reopen because nobody wants to be doing that. So grab yourself a coffee and we will get started. This packaging is insane. There is no need for this much. And there's still some there as well. This is going to literally fill my bin. So thanks very much, IKEA. Okay, so now that I have managed to get through that box, which was insane, there's far too many things for... Oh, I know. Okay, well the first item's broken, so this isn't going to a good start. So I bought this hanging plan. I tried to find this whilst I was in IKEA last time. I think it was like back in summer. And they didn't have it in, and that's why I wanted to order it. I think this is called the Fedgka. I think they're all called the Fedgka, these hanging ones, but this is like the eucalyptus style one. And it's broken because a bit of it's come off, which isn't ideal, but I'm very happy to have this. And to go with this, I got this plant pot. I really like this. All the ones I bought when I first moved into this house were the metal tin ones, and they're not that nice. So these are so much better. And again, last time I went to IKEA, couldn't find them anywhere. This is called, oh my god, the fridge full. I'm gonna pull them all links below, of course. But I was thinking this looks so good together. Them colours I think complement each other so well, especially for spring, summertime. I think they will look even better for then. They are just so light looking, and hopefully I'll have a house by spring, summertime. Now for a basic toilet brush, I thought these were actually quite nice. There was only like $1.99, something crazy like that each. To be honest, I didn't think it was metal, and it is, but it's not silver metal, so hopefully it won't last as little as the metal ones do. But yeah, though I picked two of these up because I have 2 bathrooms in my new house, and like I said, they were so cheap that could not pick them up. In the whites, obviously they'll go with everything. And something else that IKEA does I didn't actually know was replacement toilet brushes. Yeah, I didn't know this was a thing. Again, these were literally £1 for 2 of them, which was handy because I had 2 holders. So let's be honest, how often do we actually like replace our toilet brushes? Probably not as much as we are supposed to. So having these ready and they can sit in my utility room just means that it's like one less job to think about down the line. It is something else to pack away now, but it's fine. Like I said, £1 for 2. Very good. I think every time I go to IKEA I'll pick up some of them. So I have actually bought 2 compartments for the Pax wardrobe system. These are both compliant ones, and I got these thinking they would fit in my drawer as it is now. I have measured it and they literally just fit 1 in, so that's not great. But they also, the plan was I will be getting Pax wardrobes in my dressing room at the new house, so I will already have these because these are like, this one has the 4 compartments and it was £10. It was just a way of looking at it without it's going to cost me down the line when I actually need to be buying the wardrobe. So this one, the thought was for my belts, because it's quite hard to see online because there are so many different ways you can style these up, that I was thinking, yeah, my belts. I'm pretty sure I only have like 4 belts anyway. So these compartment sizes are really good. This one at the back is slightly bigger, but I think they can be adjusted. I'm not entirely sure. And the other one is this one that I bought, which is basically a bigger version, and to be honest, I didn't think they would be this big. I should have measured them before I ordered them. But this one, the plan was for my sunglasses. I could literally, though, looking at it now, fit 2 sunglasses in each bit, which is good because it means I've got an excuse now to buy more sunglasses. Again, there's like this huge bit at the back here which can be again for sunglasses or even for more belts. So yes, I already have some compartments like this for jewellery, and now looking at them I'm not sure they're going to go well together, so I might also have to buy the jewellery one, which is pictured actually on this leaflet. I think that's the jewellery one. Makes me very excited for when I'm able to do that. And the last thing is definitely the most exciting. So I ordered these wine glasses. I think these look so pretty. I can't wait to get them out and actually have a look. They are called the yeah, you know what, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. You can find it in the description below. And let's try and get into it. So there's 4 in this box. And we have this style of glasses. We have a few that have actually been passed down to us from my mum and Anthony's grandparents as well. So it was nice to add some wine glasses because mine are really boring. They're literally basic wine glasses, so I've actually got rid of them. And I'm so excited to replace them with these. These are stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, they're such a good size. They're quite big, I think, for wine glasses maybe, I don't know. But they just look so nice. So we actually have a display cupboard with a glass front in our kitchen, and I love it so much that it is a design we are taking to the new house. So it's just nice to have nice glasses to be displayed, and when my friends can come back over if we have the new house ready, and then we can try these out. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.